Look everywhere, just you can see the golds. It's actual gold 24 carat. Because each suite is 2 floors.
Welcome to the royal suite, the jewel in the crown of Burj Al Arab. Please come in, I've been expecting you.
With 24 carat gold. Queen's washroom, which is made by gold. Just look, it's gold everywhere. Everything is gold. Here is my cappuccino, gold cappuccino. Just I'll show you. Wow. Hello everyone, what's up? This is Suel Roman from I Love Travel. Welcome to another brand new video. And today's video is very special because I'm in Burj Al Arab. This is only world's 7-star hotel. Only one. This is Burj Al Arab in Dubai. So right now I'm in front Burj Al Arab and let me show you how is the look like inside. 7-star hotel, and this hotel is built in the man-made island. Can you imagine how is this possible? Dubai is possible. There is not only this, there is lots of man-made island in Dubai. So one by one, step by step, I'll show you. So today is the turn of the Burj Al Arab in the 7-star hotel. So 1999 the hotel was open. It was completed in 1999 and it was open, but only for who can pay $25,500 for per night stay. So can you imagine about the amount? Who is the millionaire? So only that person can come. But right now they open for all. If you can pay 400 dirham, so you can come and visit the Burj Al Arab. So what is the inside? I'll show you right now. I'll go inside and then show you how it's, and then you will get the experience. And with the visit in the 400 dirham, you can have a gold cappuccino. When visit is over, you come downstairs, ground floor, and then have a coffee that is gold cappuccino. So stay with me, let's go inside. This is the welcome drink before I enter in the Burj Al Arab. So they are welcoming with the welcome drink. It tastes like detox water, lemon juice. Just I got my entry pass. Without this I can't enter in the Burj Al Arab. Thank you.
Good morning, how are you?
Hi, morning.
Would you like to have rose water for your hands? Welcome to Burj. Hello sir, how are you?
Thank you.
Please, you may proceed to the towels. Have a seat. Hello, how are you? Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you. There is a separate entry for a special inside Burj Al Arab tour.
Second, we have 2 aquariums on either side of the lobby, which are actually home to over 30 species of fish. Then third, once you're heading up the escalators, you'll actually be standing in one of the world's tallest atriums, which is 180 meters tall. So once we get there, you're going to see all the colors in the hotel. This one.
This is the tallest atrium in the world in Burj Al Arab. It's 180 meter tall with 24 carat gold. Look up. Look everywhere, just you can see the golds. Only 24 carat gold. It's actual gold 24 carat. Well, we are about to enter panoramic elevator which gives panoramic view of the sea. We are now on the 25th floor of Burj Al Arab, which technically 50th floor because each suite is 2 floors.
Welcome to the Royal Suite, the jewel in the crown of Burj Al Arab. Please come in, I've been expecting you.
Wow, this is so overwhelming. Each royal suite have personal gold plate elevator. Wherever you will look, everywhere is gold. Ceiling, elevator, stair, everywhere, every corner having gold. Only 24 karat plate gold. Now we are entering the living room of royal suite. Just look the color and design. Awesome. Very beautiful. Just have a look, guys.
You can take a picture. Yeah, of course.
Guys, did you see before in your life golden TV? See today is golden TV in 24 karat gold. Just look at the design inside the room with 24 karat gold. Amazing. Now we are going to the upper floor, which one is the king and queen room. And look the stair, the carpet and golds. Which one is made by gold, the stair. Just have a look, guys. Now we are entering the queen room. This is made gorgeous with the pink. Just have a look. There is lots of pink. This is queen bedroom. Just see the bed, and there is top of the bed there is a mirror also. Is looking gorgeous. Just look around the room. Now this is the most important part, queen's washroom, which is made by gold. This is the shower room. Just look, it's gold everywhere. Everything is gold. Mini gold bar. This is the wash basin made by gold, sapphire and ruby. Hand shower also made by gold. See. Each room are remote control, curtains and lights also. Now we are entering in the king bedroom. This king master bedroom. Look at the TV, it's fixed in the ceiling. In the suite room, 23 years ago technology and running technology are same. Look at the bed, is rotating. Impressive, super impressive. The suite doesn't feel like a hotel room at all. It feels as if you are inside a palace. Look at the sea view from the hotel room. It's feel you are actually in island. So much of famous celebrity was stay in this royal suite room. Hollywood, Bollywood and famous sportsmen. Justin Bieber, Selena Gomez, Aishwarya Rai, Shah Rukh Khan, Amitabh Bachchan. Footballer Messi, Cristiano Ronaldo, Neymar and tennis player Roger Federer. Guys, right now we are in dining room. Just see. Who will be stay here? They will get special chef for cooking.
Alright, so here, because here you can find all the 4 elements in one room that we mentioned earlier. If you look up here on the ceiling, you will see the sun representing the fire, the sky representing the air, the flowers representing the earth, and the water is represented by the sea. Here, you can dine with your own private chef, so you don't have to go for a restaurant, you don't have to order food from outside. The chef himself, he will come to.
This is the library room. This also made by 24 karat gold. After touring the royal suite, guests are taking another one kind of experiences. I just sit here, I order the cold cappuccino, so I'm waiting for it, and then I'm sitting in the wonderful place that you can see behind of me. That is exactly below the auditorium, and I'll show you the outside view from that lounge. This is the outside view. I come by from this way, and you can see the luxury cars, Rolls Royals. See how it look like the island. Here is my cappuccino, gold cappuccino. Just I'll show you. Wow, just see guys. So guys, let me know how is the taste, and then I can share with you. Wow, it's a different taste. Not like exactly that outside of the coffee shops that coffee beans taste. Is I think one time I had that Tim Horton, that cappuccino. I think that is actually very expensive cappuccino. That is, coffee beans are very expensive. So I hope that and this is like matched. So it's without sugar, but I also like without sugar. I try to avoid sugar, but I can't. So this is the time I'm having cappuccino without sugar. So its taste is very different, like other cappuccino. Is with gold. Awesome. Excellent. So with the cappuccino, gold cappuccino, I got one soft cookies of the chocolate flavor, and I had also little bit. So right now the sugar level is equal because of this is without sugar, and this is, you know, the cookies, chocolate flavor cookies is definitely, of course, is sugar. Well, this is where the end the video with the amazing view. Just have a look. This is Arabian Sea. So this much I can share with my video about the Burj Al Arab inside. So if you want to get more experience, so definitely you have to come and see. So আমাকে আজকে এখানে বিদায় নিতে হচ্ছে। দেখা হবে ইনশাআল্লাহ নেক্সট ভিডিওতে নতুন কোনো প্লেসে। ততক্ষণ পর্যন্ত সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন। আল্লাহ হাফেজ।